Assalamu alaikum 10th class. Today we are doing chapter number 10, simple harmonic motion and waves. Now, the motion of mass tied to a spring. In this lecture, we will discuss the remaining part of motion of mass tied to a spring. In previous lecture, we have proved that the acceleration is directly proportional to the displacement from the mean position, and negative sign shows that the force exerted by the spring is always directed opposite to the displacement. So students, here the acceleration is directly proportional to the displacement for force, so force is also directly proportional to the displacement from the mean position. Now we have another term, restoring force. Restoring force means restoring force always pushes or pulls the object performing oscillatory motion towards the mean position. सो स्टूडेंट्स, रिस्टोरिंग फोर्स ऑलवेज पुश्ड और पुल द ऑब्जेक्ट. रिस्टोरिंग फोर्स ऑब्जेक्ट को यहाँ पुश करती है, पुल करती है, लेकिन हमेशा इसकी डायरेक्शन टुवर्ड्स मीन पोजीशन ही रहती है. सो वी विल एक्सप्लेन द मोशन ऑफ मास टाइड टू अ स्प्रिंग. इन फर्स्ट केस A, B and C. So students, in first case, if the object is at rest on mean position O, then there is no force act on it and there is no displacement. So force is 0 and displacement also 0. But in second case, students, if we bring the object to extreme position A and then release, it will move towards O due to restoring force, because restoring force always push the object towards the mean position. So when the object moves towards point O, its displacement will decrease. So students, if displacement decrease from A to O, from A to O, acceleration displacement decrease, then acceleration also decrease. So students, if object move from A to O, its displacement decrease, so acceleration also decrease, but the speed increase, because speed is the inversely proportional to the displacement. From when object move from A to O, its speed increase and acceleration and displacement decrease. And at point O, object has maximum speed. Due to inertia, object does not stop at point O, it will move towards a point B due to restoring force. Now in this case also restoring force is acting towards the mean position O. So if object move from O to B, in this case displacement increase but acceleration A also increase and speed decrease. So students, at extreme positions A and B, object has maximum acceleration and displacement, but in mean position O, object has maximum speed. So students, when object move from A to O, its acceleration decrease but speed increase. At point O, object does not support due to inertia, and then it will move towards point B. As the object moving from point O to B, its displacement increase and acceleration also increase, but at point O to B, its speed decrease. So students, similarly object move back and forth at point A, and it will stop when all the force of destroying force becomes zero. But in second part and third part, object has a restoring force. So when the object moves back and forth at point O, so it will have the simple harmonic motion. The motion of the object mass attached to a spring has simple harmonic motion. And the formula of the time period of the object is T is equal to 2 pi m over k. So student, this is the formula of the time period of the mass attached to a spring. So students, this is the explanation of the mass of the motion of a mass attached to a spring on a frictionless horizontal surface. Now students, our next topic is ball and bowl system. We have a bowl. In this bowl we have a ball. This is bowl and this is ball. So students, if the ball is at rest position O, mean position O, it will at rest. In this case we have two forces, normal reaction R of the ball and the weight of the ball, but these two forces cancel each other effect, so total force in this case is equal to 0. But if we displace the ball, and we take it at extreme position A and then release it, so students, it will move from A to O. Same in the case of mass spring system. Explanation of the ball and bowl system is same as mass spring system. So similarly students, if the object move from A to O, its acceleration increase as its displacement increase. So in this case, acceleration and displacement decrease, but speed increase. Similarly students, the object does not stop at point O due to inertia. It will move towards the point O towards the point B. In this case, as the object moves from O to B, its acceleration and displacement increase and its speed decrease. So students, at point O, object has maximum speed, and at point A and point B, object has maximum acceleration and displacement. At point O, object will stop for a while and start move towards point O and then towards point A. Similarly students, the object move back and forth at the main position O and it exhibits the simple harmonic motion. So students, here your diary is completed. That is page number 3 plus 4 half. Done. Thank you.